Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Messenger. If you have an Android phone or tablet with the Facebook Messenger app, follow these steps to unblock someone. First step is open in Facebook Messenger and tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Scroll down to the Preferences heading and tap Privacy. Then tap on Blocked Accounts. Tap on the account you would like to unblock. Tap on Unblock Messages and Call is the first option, but I am blocked this account from my Facebook account. As you can see, the unblocking process is pretty streamlined for both iOS and Android user.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.